So, you're trying to bridge the gap between Afterpay and Stripe to streamline your earnings. Unfortunately, there isn't a direct, one-click button to instantly transfer funds from Afterpay to Stripe. These platforms operate independently. However, there are a few viable workarounds. First, you need to ensure you have a bank account linked to both your Afterpay and Stripe accounts. This serves as the intermediary for the transfer. Within your Afterpay business portal, and I'm referring to the business portal, not the consumer, applicate your payout settings or bank account information. Double-check that the bank account listed is the same one you've connected to your Stripe account. This is crucial, since your funds will be wired to the same bank account. Usually, depending on your Afterpay settings, funds are paid to your linked bank account on a regular payout schedule. After Afterpay deposits your earnings into your linked bank account, allow 1 to 3 business days for the funds to appear. Keep an eye on your bank statements or mobile banking app. Once the funds are available in your bank account, head over to your Stripe dashboard. Look for the Add Funds or Top Up feature. This option allows you to transfer money into your Stripe account from your linked bank account. Simply select the linked bank account, enter the desired amount to transfer from your bank to Stripe, and confirm. The transaction processing times may vary, but you should see the funds reflected in your Stripe balance within a few business days. While it's not a direct transfer, this bank account intermediary method gets the job done. Remember to factor in processing times for both Afterpay payouts and Stripe top-ups. I hope this clarifies the process of moving your money. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money management tips.